Hello, my dear students. My name is Nilakantha Nayak, lecturer in automobile engineering at BUS Cuttack. Today we are going to discuss about the tire. Contents and introduction, function of tire and properties, then basic construction of tire, then tire size designation. टायर को हमें कौन बुझ बा डेली लाइफ रे हमें कौन बुझ जो गोटे व्हीकल अछि बा रिम को कवर करछि ताको हमें कहूछु टायर. तो टेक्निकली जे हमें देखिबा टायर इज ए रबर मेंबर व्हिच गिव्स पोजीशन टू द ऑटोमोबाइल. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ outer cover that is tire proper and tube inside. Means there is a tube which is inside which kept the air बा जे हमर एयर को स्टोर करछि ताको कहूछि ट्यूब और टायर भीतर हमर गोटे ट्यूब अछि. तो टायर ट्यूब essentially is mounted over the wheel rim and air inside the tube carries entire load and provide cushion. Means basically हम देखु जो टायर होय छै टायर भीतर हमर ट्यूब अछि ट्यूब भीतर हमर एयर अछि जे हमर लोड को बेयर करछि और हमको कुशनिंग प्रोवाइड करछि. तो ताकि हम कहू टायर. तो how do you simply हमें कहबा this is a rubber material which is fit around the rim. Then function of the tire. Tire function कौन मैं कौन पे हमें टायर को यूज करबा. तो फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज द टू सपोर्ट द व्हीकल लोड. जो भी व्हीकल रो वेट अबव एनी काइंड ऑफ लोड that will be first bear by the tire. It may be sprung weight, passenger weight. These are the loads which is completely bear by the tire. Sprung weights means engine, transmission system, vehicle frame, passenger's load, body. These are the sprung weight. Means those are supported by the suspension system. ताको हमें कहूँ sprung weight and these are completely bear by the tire. Or to support the vehicle load. Then provide the cushion against the shock. जो हमें move करूँ हमें तो sure नहीं कि road completely top and fine. There are some obstacle. Means some off-road ही पारे, bump fall ही पारे, pot fall ही पारे, uneven surface में मध्य ही पारे. जहाँ पर जो भी हमारा shock produce हो due to that will be absorbed by the tire. हमें तो जानी छो shocks is absorbed by the suspension system. But first part is the tire. First shock is absorbed by the tire, then it is absorbed by the suspension system. So tire also provide the cushioning against the shock. Then the transmit driving and braking force to the road. जो भी engine power produce करूँ हमें जो ट्रांसमिट को थ्रू द ट्रांसमिशन सिस्टम टू द व्हील जो हमें कहू छु ट्रैक्टिव फोर्स बा ट्रैक्टिव फोर्स मींस वन टाइप ऑफ मोशन व्हिच इज ट्रैक्टिव फोर्स मींस इट इज अ फोर्स जनरली यूज्ड टू क्रिएट अ मोशन बिटवीन द टेंजेंशियल सरफेस एंड एनी मेंबर. सो इट फाइनली it transmit the tractive force to the road surface and the braking force also which is basically used to stop the vehicle or reduce the speed of vehicle. Then the braking force will generate that will be transmit to the tire. Then providing cornering power for smooth steering and also providing traction and the braking. Means tire main function is the हमें जान स्टीयरिंग सिस्टम को ना डायरेक्शन को चेंज करछि हमर व्हीकल डायरेक्शन को चेंज करछि. बट टायर आल्सो प्लेज द इंपोर्टेंट रोल टू चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द व्हीकल बिकॉज़ टायर इज द डायरेक्ट व्हिच टायर इज द मेंबर व्हिच इज डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट विद द रोड सरफेस. देन प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ टायर. तो गोटे कॉमन मैन पे बा साधारण लोक पे हमर प्रॉपर्टीज दरकार नै. टायर हम जानि टायर जहां भी हेले चलबो किंतु बी एन इंजीनियर ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियर हमें टायर प्रॉपर्टीज जानिया दरकार नै. दरकार तार कोन कोन प्रॉपर्टीज हेबा दरकार बा हम मटेरियल यूज करबा जार प्रॉपर्टीज बा एनी इंजीनियर जो भी मटेरियल यूज डील करछि तार प्रॉपर्टी निहाती जानिया दरकार सेमिति हमें टायर प्रॉपर्टीज मध्ये निहाती जानिया दरकार तो नॉन स्किडिंग द टायर शुड नॉट बी skid or slip on the road surface it should have good grip capacity means जते vehicle में मूव करू it may be wet surface or it may be dry surface तो आम एवॉइड करबा एमिति मटेरियल चूज करबा कि हमर स्लिप जेमति न हो तो इट प्रोवाइड or it should have good grip capacity then the uniform wear the tire must get wear uniformly over its outer surface means this is the tire uniform wear means basically हमें बुझुछु कि some distortion of material or deformation of material uniform wear means completely it will be not deformed in particular portion because tire is completely road सहित contact रे आसुछि notice हमर सिंगल पॉइंट को टायर मूव करबा सिंगल पॉइंट कोनसी सबले हमर रोड सहित कांटेक्ट नै all points are contact with the road surface तो जदरा टर्न आउट होबो बा जो मटेरियल रिमूव होबो यूनिफॉर्मली होबो अराउंड द होय नॉट ओनली द सिंगल पर्सन बा or more person not only here or here that will be where will be uniform all over the tire तो हम एमिति मटेरियल चूज करबा यदि वेयर हो से यूनिफॉर्मली वेयर हो around the surface then load carrying capacity the tire should be able to carry the vehicle load as much as possible माने एमिति प्रॉपर्टी चूज करबा कि से अधिक और अधिक हमर लोड को बियर करि पारथि then cushion means one comfort जे हमको comfort प्रोवाइड करिवो बेसिकली क्वेश्चन एकदम सस्पेंशन सिस्टम में प्रोवाइड करछ तो डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट बिटवीन द cushion the tire should be able to absorb the vibration set up by the road surface thus providing cushioning effect or the tire should be in position to absorb the vibration set up by the uneven road surface by providing cushioning effect to make the ride smoother or this is So, first tire should be able to absorb the vibration set up by the road surface, thus providing cushioning effect. Road surface से तो हम directly contact होशी wheel रे हमर tire में तो हमें जानी छु जो भी shock produce होबो बा shock absorb के करबा हमर suspension system तो डायरेक्ट हमर suspension system डायरेक्ट contact आछे हमर road surface से road surface से तो के contact आछे ना wheel जहां हमर tire फिट तो हम फर्स्ट चूज करू एमिति मटेरियल कि जो टायर में नबा से ही हमर किछि एब्जॉर्ब बा शॉक से फर्स्ट एब्जॉर्ब करू देन द सस्पेंशन सिस्टम विल एब्जॉर्ब द शॉक्स व्हिच इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द सेट अप बाय द रोड सरफेस देन पावर कंजम्पशन while running on the road the tire should be consume less power developed by the engine जो भी इंजन पावर प्रोड्यूस करूछ हमें टायर मटेरियल एमिति चूज करबा छ जरा हमर पावर कंजम्पशन लेस हो आ अधिक हमें एफिशिएंसी जेमति पाइ तो इट शुड बी कंज्यूम लेस पावर बा लेस पावर देन द टायर नॉइज the tire should be create minimum noise while running on the road. आम देखी बेले बेले vehicle जो मूव करे गोटे अनइवन साउंड आसे जोटा टायर ही आसे कहीं ना मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस टायर आर worn out. तो आम एमती मटेरियल चूज करवा जहाँ द्वारा आमर टायर जो साउंड आसूची से मिनिमम टू मिनिमम हम. तो the tire should be create minimum noise while running on the road surface. Then balancing. The tire should be balanced dynamically as well as statically. Means it not be deformed while motion or in the static position. It will be well balanced. Then the construction details of the tire. Some various parts of the tire. These are the breakers, then these are the tread, then these are the sidewalls, and these are the cross carcass plies or taku pauchi casing मतलब ply parts मध्य pauchi. Then buff line person, then tread reinforcing ply, then cross plies, then inner liner, then the bed. These are the beds, heel, and this is the bed toe, and these are the wear beds, and these are the some flippers, then some ply turn offs, then the chafers. We will discuss regarding some important parts of the tire. First one, tread. Tread is the part of the tire that direct contact with the road surface. It is consist of layer of rubber. Tread कहाँ कहूँ जो surface का tire हम directly contact आसी road surface से ताकू ही हमें कहूँ tread. but tire जो अंश directly contact होची with the road surface ताकू हमें कहूँ tread with a thick rubber material. These are designed to good steering, adhesion, wear resistant, good turning behavior, and also it helps to reduce the rolling resistance and noise of the tire. Treads are basically plays the main role to reduce the noise of tire as well as reduce the rolling resistance. These portions are the called tread. These are the tread. Next, second is the shoulder. Shoulder is the edge of the tread. Shoulder on the each side of the tread is designed to protect the bed and carcass of the tire and to dissipate the heat generated during the running to the atmosphere. Shoulders are the basically edge of the tread. These are the edge portion of the tire. It's not clearly visible. Shoulder. This portion is called shoulder or edge of the tread. It is basically protect the carcass and also protect the tread and also dissipate the heat during produce while running the vehicle. By the time गाड़ी running करछि जो heat produce होछि tread shoulder रो काम होला to dissipate the heat. आज हमें कुछ heat transfer. Then the belt. Belt is a reinforcement layer. Belt. So belt is a reinforcement layer extending around the outer circumference of the carcass under the tread. It is act like an iron hoof in improving the stiffness of the tread area. This is the tread and this is the tread area. This thread are the thread areas. Basically belt ro काम कौन तो stiffness increase करिवो of the thread and also protect the from damage, environmental damage to the thread. Basically these are placed around the or circumference of the carcass. Carcass में मैं आपको देखियो then bed filler. This is a reinforcement rubber that has a triangular cross section and which is used to increase the stiffness of the bed. ये हमारा bed और stiffness को use increase करो ठीक ना bed filler जहाँ पे हम बोलते हैं bed filler. These are the bed filler which is completely in the tire for increasing the stiffness of the bed. Next is the bed wear, a ring-shaped reinforcement material that is made by bundling together several steel layers. The previous slide was basically around the tire. but ring shape रो से bundle देके assembly होता है ज़्यादा हमारा bed create होता है. Then inner liner. The inner liner is a layer of special rubber that has high resistance to air migration. Means inner liner is the basically to resist the to minimize the leakage of air which is inside the tire. मैं अगर ट्यूबलेस टायर जो आसी गलानी तादर हमरा इनर लाइनर यूज करा होची जहाँ द्वारा हमरा जो एयर कंप्रेस ठीक रहोची बा ताको मिनिमाइज करूची. मिनिमाइज करिवो कोन ना हमर एयर को डिक्रीज होबा दबो ना एयर प्रेशर को डिक्रीज होबा दबो ना. Also it an air and water resistant layer and also these are the designed to minimize the loss of air. जाको हम कहि सारलेबा कि हमर लॉस होबा दबो ना एयर को कंप्लीटली से कैप्चर कर रखियो. Then carcass. This is the main body of the tire and also called ply cord. It is made up of layer of fabric called plies. This plies gives the strength to the tire. Basically हमें जब हम देखिए पैसेंजर व्हीकल रोची तले हमें 4 to 6 plies यूज करछो. जब हमें देखिए heavy vehicles like bus, truck 16 to 22 numbers of plies are used to make a complete tire. और हमें कहबे this is the basic structure of the tire or main body of the tire. जहाँ को उसे carcass बा ply cord. Then bed. Bed is the portion which holds the tire on the rim. Means tire जो portion टा हमरो rim को hold करछि ताको ही हमें कहछु bed. The bed is made up of high strength steel cable compounded with the rubber. Then the sidewall. Sidewall is the portion of tire between the tread and the bed. And the sidewall is largely made up of rubber but reinforced with fabric or steel cord that provide the strength and flexibility to the tire. Sidewall means हमें क्या कोई का outer die of tire and this is the inner dia of tire. So side wall is, these portion are the side wall. Now come to side wall. It is the area of in between the outer dia and the inner dia of the tire. These are the side walls of the tire. Basically, these are provides the strength and the flexibility to the tire. Then the size, tire size designation. So total width total width का आपको होगी, so this is the tire size. Then this to this portion is called total width of tire. And the section width is the from this to this is the section width of the tire. Then the section height of the tire. Section height of the tire is this is the section height of the tire. और जहाँ का हम बोलते हैं side wall. This is the section height of the tire. And fourth one is the rim diameter. Rim diameter. This is the rim diameter from this to this is called rim diameter, which is basically in inches. Then the outside diameter. Outside diameter is the completely from top of the tire to the bottom of the tire. It is called outside diameter of the tire. ना मैं जानिए कि मुझे टायर रो तारो हाइट कहते हैं, एस्पेक्ट रेशियो कहते हैं, रिम रो डायमीटर कहते हैं. हमें देखिए जो टायर रो का डिजिट बस वो सिंबल था, बट वो वन टाइप ऑफ न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू था जहाँ पर हमें देखिए हमें टायर डेजिग्नेशन का टायर तारो एस्पेक्ट रेशियो कहते हैं, रिम डायमीटर कहते हैं, से कहते हैं लोड कैरी कोई वैल्यू से स्पीड कहते हैं, से सुबह में जाने कहते हैं. Now 235 is the section width, which basically represents in mm. Then the 45 is the aspect ratio. Then the R means radial tire. Then the 17 is the rim diameter, which is basically in inch. Then the 93 is the load index. देखिए load index chart देखिए. Then the letter W represents the speed. Means tire 1 hour कितने speed से जाएगा. Basically load and speed index table. हमें previous slide में देखिए लो. 93 is the load index, and the last letter W is the speed symbol. तो 61 में जो अच्छी जान लो किस ये maximum capacity is 257 of the 257 kg bear करी बारी को टायर. Similarly 62 is 265 kg, 63 is 272 kg, 64 280 kg, like this. And the speed is like K, हमारा अच्छी W is the 270 km/h. Similarly K is the 100 km/h. Speed of the tire. मैं हमें सेट की स्पीड रे हम वेहिकल को मूव करे बरा मैक्सिमम. यदि हमारा टायर सिंबल रहउची K, M, N, A रो Z पर्यंत अछि, तो हम ताकू देखि जानि परिया टायर स्पीड केते बा घंटा को हमें केते स्पीड किलोमीटर स्पीड रे हम जाई परिया. थैंक यू.